Insider. We've partnered with local cities to give you some pandemic motivation to get active and eat healthy as part of our Move More, Eat Better series. I'm your host, Brisa Colon. We are in the beautiful city of La Habra. Let's get the inside scoop. Our first stop is the Las Lomas Fitness Park, a 2.5-acre pocket park which has been turned into a fitness space and is now 1 out of 5 fitness locations available in the city. But what many of you don't know is that this park offers many hidden treasures. Today I'm here with the recreational manager of the city of La Habra, David De Leon. Thank you so much for joining us today, David.
Thank you for having me this morning.
Great. So my first question is, tell us a little bit about the history of this park. I understand it's really been through a lot.
Yeah, so it's what we call a pocket park, and it's 2.5 acres located across the street from one of our older communities. And it has gotten a lot of attention over the last few years through a grant that we received in St. Jude Medical Center, as well as some support we got from the Boy Scouts of America.
That's amazing. And so I understand the city and the community around this park it's so beautiful. So can you tell me a little bit about the surrounding community of this park?
Yeah, as I mentioned, the Grace Pacific community is right across the street, and there's and as well as around here, and there's a lot of young families with a lot of kids. And so because of the limited space they have in their neighborhood, this becomes a space where they can do picnicking, where they can have family gatherings, or if they just want to have a place where they can, enjoy open space and bring their kids into play. So it is a good space, and it's well located so that you can come here on the weekends or during the week, and you'll always see people here.
That's amazing. And this park has so many amenities that it offers. Can you tell me a little bit about what the park offers?
Yeah, as I mentioned, through a grant with St. Jude Medical Center, we were able to install some outdoor fitness equipment we're working with Greenfield's fitness equipment, outdoor equipment, and they were really, really good to work with. We also have some security lighting we installed here, which allows for us to have early morning activity as well as late afternoon activity and evening activity. And then, as I mentioned, we have mile markers, and we have places where people can see the distances that they're walking. We also have a hydration station, which was recently installed, and so I think that with all of those amenities, people really are enjoying this park.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. The people of La Habra love going to the Las Lomas Fitness Park to get outside and get active. Can you tell me a little bit about why you love this park?
It is open. My son go to school, hybrid learning. And so I have a 2-year-old daughter. Staying home is kind of hard, so we always come out for a playground. Yeah, in the morning.
Why do you love coming to this park, Julio?
The things I take my baby to walk around. So it's a nice place to walk in. It's a peaceful.
What is your favorite part about the park?
The babies play around.
There are so many amazing locations to move more and eat healthy with the whole family in the city of La Habra. Our second location is a perfect place for everyone. The Portola and Brio parks are located across the street from one another and have so many unique details that make this area of La Habra so special. These parks are definitely a great place for the whole family and community. I am here at our second location, Portola and Brio Park. I'm here with Melissa Arvizu to tell us more about this very family-friendly park. So Melissa, can you tell me a little bit about the history of this park?
Yeah, so Portola and Brio Park have always been huge engagement and community-centered parks. Behind us, you'll see the Children's Museum, which is very much a hotspot for parents to bring their kids, be engaged, and be active. The park has 3 baseball fields, there's 2 playgrounds, and a lot for people to get engaged with.
That's amazing. And can you tell me a little bit about the mural here at the park?
So the Move More Eat Healthy mural is a selfie mural done during the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation grant. And the goal of the Move More Eat Healthy is to get people to move more and eat healthy. So the wall, you can come and take a selfie of yourself jumping rope, climbing a mountain, riding a bike. And it's really a focal point for people to come and just have a good time with it, take some pictures.
That's amazing. And I understand that this park has a lot to offer for little ones. Can you tell me a little bit about what the park offers for little ones?
Yeah, so I actually have two little ones too, so I bring them all the time. You know, there's a children's museum. They have the dinosaurs that you can take pictures with, which my boys love to do. They have the train in the back of the museum, which are real trains that are just stationary. The kids can come, climb on them, take pictures with them. There's two playgrounds, one here, one at Brio Park. There's also actually going to be a splash pad as well.
Wow, that's amazing. Can you tell me a little bit more about the splash pad and how the park is going to be evolving and growing more into the future?
Yeah, so it's been a couple years of community engagement. We've been doing Zumba, free Zumba in the park for a couple years, and the community just got so involved and engaged with it that the city of La Habra was like, we need to offer more for the people. So St. Jude Medical Center actually funded fitness equipment to be installed at Brio Park. So on Zumba nights, you normally see moms Zumbaing and dads using the fitness equipment and kids playing on the playground. So because of that, the city of La Habra did get shade to go over the playground. They also put in lighting so that we could Zumba all night long. And they also are putting in the splash pads, so it should be done fairly soon. And that's just a way for the community to get more engaged and kids to have a fun place to, splash around.
Wow, thank you so much, Melissa, for all that amazing information. You and your family should definitely come and visit this amazing park. The Northgate Gonzalez Market is our third and final location. The Northgate Gonzalez Markets are one of the largest and most successful Hispanic supermarket chains in the U.S. We got the opportunity to talk with one of the Gonzalez family members and manager of the La Habra store. And we are here at the very popular Northgate Market, and we're here with a very special guest, Joshua Gonzalez. Thank you so much for having us today, Joshua.
Thank you for coming over.
For my first question, can you tell us a little bit about the history of the Northgate Market? I know it started in Orange County. Can you tell me a little bit about how it's grown and just what it's become?
Sure. In 1980, my grandfather, along with his children, uncles and aunts, 13 brothers and sisters, they started the company called Northgate Markets. The name of the store that they bought, which was a very small store in Anaheim, was already called Northgate. There wasn't enough money to change the sign, so they kept the name and then later on added Gonzalez to it. Fast forward, today the 13 brothers and sisters still work together. We have the third generation, which I'm a part of. We are 53 and 25 of us work in the family business. We have 41 stores in LA County, Orange, San Diego, and also Riverside County, our newest store, which we're very excited about.
That's amazing. And so can you tell me a little bit more about your history with the store and just more about your family and how you guys have started this business?
Sure. La Habra is our second store. We had a relocation. We were on La Habra Boulevard. Now we're on Whittier Boulevard. And this was a store that was part of our vision as a family and as a business to have an environment that anybody could come and feel what it meant to have an awesome Mexican and Hispanic experience with authentic foods, with community, based off of people, right? We love people, and that's really the center of everything we do.
That's amazing. And I come here with my family all the time, and I know you guys offer amazing fresh produce. Can you tell me a little bit more about the healthy options that you guys offer here at the store?
Sure. We pride ourselves on quality. We think that our customer comes to shop with us because we believe that what we offer the customer should be the best, whether that be the experience and the friendliness or that be the products. And in terms of healthy options, we have so many, right? If you're talking about fresh fruits and vegetables, everything from an amazing apple to an exotic guanábana, which is a soursop. Also in our prepared foods department, you can find ceviches, which are a very healthy option. We cure it every day, we make it in-house, and we have recipes from throughout different parts of Latin America and Mexico. So there's so many options that we also have that are what you might not think that we have, like fresh juices, green juices, juices that are natural. So we have so many options.
That's amazing. And the Northgate Market is a community market, and the community is very involved. Can you tell me a little bit more about the community of this market and just why the people come here?
Sure. My Uncle Miguel, when Store 2 was opened in 1986, the main thing that he focused on was creating awesome relationships with the community And whether that be customers coming from other cities or the ones that live in and around the store. What we focused on is including the community in everything we do, whether it's what we sell, making sure it's relevant, or it's hiring people that live in the community. We have everything from students to associates that have been with us for 35 years. So the community is at the heart of everything we do.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Well, folks, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay tuned for more hidden treasures of Orange County as we continue our Move More, Eat Healthy series here on The Insider. I'm Brisa Colon. See you next time.